Hey everyone, AJ here, and I wanted to give you a quick little run through on how you can now add gated content to your Framer website using stackFrame. Now, this is a new feature that we just added in stackFrame 1.3 update, which we are releasing very soon, but you can essentially do this in less than 5 minutes. So what I'm going to show you in this display, in this tutorial, is how to do that. So what I'm in right now is my stackFrame component file. You can get here by going to your stackFrame account, logging in, creating a project, which I've done, and now you're going to see if you follow these instructions, it's going to tell you to click the Start Building button. When you click the Start Building button, you will be brought to this component file, and you'll be brought to the home page, and you're going to want to make sure you remix this file. After that, you'll have all the stackFrame components, which you see here, and you can start building your web app in this file. So what I've done is I have a testing page, an auth page, and a members page. So just in this testing page, I just named it testing. You don't have to call it testing. I'm going to bring in a button logged in and a button logged out. Okay, and what this button logged in means is this button is only going to show up when I'm logged in. A couple of things you need to realize is that this bypass sign in is click to yes so that we can style this button. In order for this button to only show up when a user is logged in, you're going to want to switch this to no and make sure that this is set to no on your live site. So hit publish when you're ready for this component to work correctly. So what I'm going to do is switch this to yes, and I'm going to turn this I'm going to have this be sent to the members page after when clicked, and we're going to call this members. Okay, and then this button only shows up when I'm logged out. So what we want to do is prompt the user to log in, and we're going to send them to the auth page, which is right here. So this button after user's logged in is going to show up when clicked, sends them here. This button is going to show up when the user is not logged in and send them to the auth page. So now we have to set up signing in our web app. I'm going to drag in an auth component, which is now added. And now what I want to do is tell it where to go after a user signs in. And we're going to send it right back to the page we came from, and that is testing. Last but not least, I want to add the stackFrame project ID so that my authentication component works and I can tell if the user is signed in or not. I'm going to head on over to my React app, copy project ID, come back, come in here, click paste, and now that is already set up and authentication has been added to your Framer web app. We're going to click publish now, and we're going to go ahead and give this a try. Whoops, forgot to bypass sign in. See, made that mistake. Make sure that's clicked to no, and then we're going to open up this website. As you can see, login is the only option that shows up. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. I'm going to log into my existing account that I've already created. And you're going to see we're brought back to the page we came from. And now that login button is hidden and we just have a members only button. So what happens is this members only button is only going to show up when I'm logged in. And when I press it, it's going to take me to the members only page. And just like that, you successfully added member restricted content to your Framer website thanks to stackFrame in less than 5 minutes. And that, my friends, is the power of stackFrame.